Getting started with English Bright is simple and efficient. Our structured system helps ESL teachers move from planning to teaching in just a few clicks, so you can focus more on your students and less on prep. Open the lesson you will teach. Begin by logging into your English Bright dashboard. From the main teaching system page, you will see the lesson library and filters on the left side. Choose the level that fits your student. First, select the level that matches your student's ability. For example, level 0 for beginners or higher levels for more advanced learners. Open the unit. Next, browse the available units within that level. Units are organized by topic, such as colors, daily routines, or ocean animals, making it easy to stay structured and consistent. Click the unit that matches your lesson goal for the day. Click the lesson you want to teach. Inside the unit, simply click the specific lesson you plan to use. Your Ready to Teach interactive slides will open immediately in your browser with no downloads and no extra preparation. Next, before your live class, let us prepare parents and students for a smooth and confident class experience. Watch the next video to continue.